Hi, I'm Kyle Derstler, owner and CEO of Zen Windows. This is part of our FAQ series. There's a lot of different factors that go into the window cost. Some of those factors include the size of the window, the type of window, the options you include on that window. There are a lot of different configurations that will go into the overall cost that need to be considered. You have to understand, these windows are customized for your home. They're not like the windows you can get from a big box store that are very standardized where quality is questionable. We are tailoring these windows specifically to your home, your project, and your needs. So we're going to be here to give you the right options that are going to give you the most satisfaction for your project.